Dahil kababalik mo lang galing ng China. At yung topic
Ni
natin,
hao.
oo. Sheshe. Oo.
And you came from Hong Kong?
Yes, pareho tayo na tumakas lang sa mga magnanakaw dito sa Pilipinas saglit. Pero yung ginastos po namin hindi galing sa flood control projects. Anyway, may kinalaman sa travel yung topic na gusto ko i-bring up ngayon. Pero before that, kamusta ang inyong Shanghai trip?
Okay, just to cut it short, no, hindi ko in-expect. I've never been to Shanghai. Nasa Guangzhou kami for work. Yes, had something to do there. And then, natapos siya in 2 days. So we had 3 days to spare. So sabi namin, either we go to Hong Kong, kasi you can take a train an hour and a half to Hong Kong from Guangzhou. Or we take a 2-hour flight going to Shanghai. So we booked a spontaneous flight. Sabi ko, alam mo, let's just go to Shanghai. We haven't seen it. Hong Kong, I mean, we always go there, diba?
Yeah.
Tingnan natin ano meron. And I was surprised. Eto, it's like Hong Kong on steroids in a good way. Like the sights, the sounds, the weather was, ang sarap ng weather. The food was cheap, was good. Magsasawa ka sa mga Michelin star restos na mura. And people are generally helpful. Of course, kailangan pa rin ng Google Translate.
Yeah.
Kasi
Hirap pa sila mag-English doon.
Correct.
Oo.
But eto siguro, I would describe it as a mix of Hong Kong and Japan and Tokyo.
Na mas maganda.
Na malinis, wide roads, beautiful, everything at night. Isip mo, skyscrapers until your eyes can see.
Sarap.
At sa gabi, boom, lahat yan nakailaw.
Alam mo, ang dami ko rin kasing mga friends ngayon na nakikita na nasa China. Hindi lang ikaw. So, nagbo-boom I mean, tourism nila doon. Maganda yung ginagawa nila kung ano man. Pero sa kwento mo pala ngayon kung paano ka nag-shopping, sinasabi kasi ni Sam dito, like, no brand, pero ang gaganda yung quality.
Correct.
Same sa mga nakikita natin dito.
Kasi Hong Kong, di ba? Aminin natin, when you go to Hong Kong, it's one mall after another, but you have the Balenciaga, Gucci,
mga branded luxury.
Then you go to the next mall, it's the same, different luxury brands. I guess you really go
Pero
to
if
Hong
you
Kong.
go to Mongkok,
Iba.
puwera. O,
Correct,
iba rin.
So ito, of course, they have their little mall where, they have the high-end brands. Pero, ang ganda ng mga...
Meron silang isang specific mall na no brands or
Hindi lang mall.
local brand.
A lot of shops. Local
Local
shops.
brand, pero ang ganda ng quality.
And they were cheap.
And lahat naman na yata na sinusuot natin ngayon. Made in China.
And they
Even
were
the
cheap.
iPhone that we're
Oo.
using, also made in China.
And they look good.
Yeah.
So, shopping, kain, and that's all we did. And it was such a good reset kasi I think sometimes we get so caught up with work
Yeah.
na nakakalimutan natin magpahinga.
Oo. So, napahinga ka.
Nakapahinga ako.
Ng bongga.
Ng bongga. Sabi ko, it's one of those few times na nagising ako, yung parang hindi na mabigat yung mata mo. Do you get that? Yung parang when you wake up,
Yeah.
pagising mo, parang...
Hindi lang mata, buong katawan, mabigat.
And I think it's related to what we're going through in the Philippines. But let's talk about your trip to Hong Kong.
Well, kung ikaw napahinga ng bongga, siguro para sa mga may anak, makaka-relate sila na pag nagbabakasyon tas kasama yung mga bata, mas pagod pa kaysa sa trabaho.
Wait, I'll stop you right there because I was talking to Gino Quillamor.
Yeah.
And he also went to Tokyo.
With 3 kids.
With 3 kids. Dalawa pa yata naka-stroller. And it's a different ball game, I understand. Pero sige, for me na walang kid, but we want to have one in the future. Let us know how it is traveling abroad with
Nakita mo yung
a kid.
buntong hining ako.
Ramdam ko yung pagod kasi Gino, ramdam ko yung
I
pagod
don't know
nakita
kung
ko.
saan ako magsa-start. Hindi ko alam kung saan ako magsa-start, mga B. Kasi ayoko i-romanticize. Oo, masaya mag-travel with my kids. I love them so much. To the bones yung pagmamahal ko dyan. Pero nung nandun kami at habang nahihirapan kami nung asawa ko, nasa utak ko talaga, sinasabi ko kay Mike, love, beach trip na lang ulit ha. Wag na nating ulitin to. Kasi may infant ako tapos may toddler kami.
Right.
Actually, kasama namin sa trip na to, may kasama kaming mga angels sa bahay. Sinama namin first out of the country nila to.
Love it.
Kasama ko yung senior citizen kong mga magulang.
Okay. So talagang big family trip
Big
to.
family trip to. Kapatid
Okay.
ko, mga anak niyang toddlers kasama din.
Technically, pwede mag-deposit
Alin?
kay Lola ng kids o hindi pa?
Dahil may edad na hindi kagaya ng kung paano before kay Sam. Alam mo,
Gets,
hirap na
gets.
rin mag-alaga,
Right.
papi.
Right.
So,
Ayaw mo rin sila stress.
may kasama kaming help nung nandun kami. Pero isipin nyo, ang dami naming kasama. Pero hirapan pa rin kami. Iba talaga yung pag may kasama kang bata sa bakasyon. And I'm sure a lot of parents will agree na pag may infant ka and toddler ka and you go on a vacation, a lot of the posts I see, ang saya. Pero konti lang yung nag-share kung gaano siya kahirap. That's why I wanted to bring this up. Let's not romanticize kung gaano kahirap magdala ng bata sa travel. It's fun.
Oh.
We love our kids. We want them to experience kung ano
The
yung
world.
na-experience
Correct.
natin, bigay natin kung ano yung mga hindi natin na-experience yung bata tayo. Pero mahirap.
I'm gonna ask you a question.
Gusto ko sabihin ngayon sa mga nagpaplano, magdalawang isip kayo.
What, to bring the kid or to have a kid?
Pareho!
Okay.
Pareho.
Para malinaw. Ano?
Hindi ako,
magdalawang isip
hindi
kayo.
ako nagsisisi na may mga anak ako. But nung isa, tolerable. Nung dalawa, caring-carry. Girl, nung tatlo. Grabe mental breakdown. May ganong mental, physical, lahat na.
My sister has 3 kids also, and whenever she travels alone, bringing them to the Philippines, bilib na bilib kami sa
Paano
kanya. Kasi may stopover pa yan.
Paano niya ginagawa?
I have no idea. I don't think I can do it, but sabi
Pero,
nila, when you're there,
I'm sure she's
magagawa
saying
mo.
it's hard.
Oh, it's very hard. Lalo pag may nagtantrum na
And
isa.
alone?
Oo, alone.
All by herself? Bilib ako sa inyo. Hindi ko alam bilib ako dun sa mga kung paano nyo nagagawa to.
Okay, let me ask you a
Mahirap,
question.
papi.
Kasi this has always been on my mind. So you took your kids to, let's say, Hong Kong.
Disneyland.
Disneyland.
Para mag-Disneyland.
Oh, pero hindi mo ba, curious lang ako.
Okay, sige.
Hindi ba,
Bring it on.
Hindi ba parang, hindi nyo naiisip, parang hindi pa naman nila maalala to.
Oh, ang ganda.
Like, curious lang as a guy
yung
without
panganay
kids.
yung panganay kong anak na 16 years old.
Alam, of course siya, given.
Sinasabi niya, Mami, iyak lang ng iyak si Santi. Hindi niya pa lahat maaalala
Tapos
to.
sayang bayad because you pay for that.
Okay, nandun ako sa alam kong hindi maaalala.
Oh.
Hindi ko siya dinala para maalala niya yon. Kasi naisip namin pag naiwan siya sa bahay tas lahat kami nandun, kawawa naman. Yun lang ang nasa utak ko that time. Pero alam kong hindi pa to maaalala ng anak ko.
At
Kung
what age do you think?
5 years old. For me, 5.
medyo
5
maalala
and
na.
up.
Okay.
Pero yung mga 1-year-old, less than 5 years old, I think it will be better kung sa beach talaga. Kasi yung mga beach trips namin, na-enjoy ko ng sobra.
Or maybe staycation. If not,
Staycation
diba?
sa hotel.
Oo.
Pero yung lalakad, i-Disneyland, tas
Sa stroller
iiyak
mo.
sa loob ng eroplano, sa stroller mo, ang dami mong kailangan dalhin. I don't advise it.
Ito yung reality of being a parent, no? Especially to an infant, a toddler.
Not everyone talks about this.
Uh-huh.
Pero hindi naman siguro tayo masamang magulang, masamang ina o ama kung ipagpapaliban muna natin yung pagdadala talaga sa mga anak natin dito sa mga lakaran, portion, Hong Kong, Japan. Lalo pa kung masistress tayo ng bongga.
So,
Although iba-iba yung bata papi, iba-iba, merong hindi iyakin, merong hindi matantrums. But for me, dapat ready talaga kayo na pag nagbakasyon kayo with the kids, hindi siya bakasyon. Mas stress pa pag nasa
bahay. Was this
bahay.
the first out of the country trip with all the kids?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
The last trip was a Boracay trip.
No, the last trip, wala pa si Santi. Nag-Japan kami. It was just me, Sab.
Okay.
4 lang kami nun, Walang help yon. Sab, me, Mike, ako. Na-enjoy ko yon. Buntis pa lang ako nung kay Santi. Na-enjoy ko yon kasi 4 years old nung si Lexi. So,
medyo she can walk around, you know.
wala na rin masyadong maraming gamit na kailangan dalhin. So ako ang suggestion ko talaga, 5 years old and up, kung Disneyland man yan or kung puro lakaran. Pero kung medyo bagets pa, yung beach trip talaga yung mas okay. Ngayon, punta tayo dito sa nabasa kong post because I wanna know kung ano opinion mo dito.
Okay.
Nakita to ng kapatid ko sa Hong Kong Travel Group.
Alright.
Okay? Specific to. Nandito kami sa flight na to.
This was on the flight going or
Going
coming?
home.
Coming home. Okay.
Una, anong nafe-feel mo, papi, every time nasa flight ka, tapos meron ka naririnig na, or kahit hindi flight, meron ka nakikita, naririnig na batang umiiyak, hindi tumitigil.
Nagtatantrums.
Na hindi ka makapahinga.
Okay.
Yung totohanan
Okay. No,
na to, papi.
For me, the pahinga is probably the third thing on my mind or the fourth. Mas naisip ko kawawa yung mom or yung dad. Tapos, actually, I like kids So I always look and try to see, bakit ka siya umiyak? What's wrong? But I always think, baka hindi maka-equalize. Diba yung tenga, sakit nun diba? Pag, when you're taking off or landing, but umiiyak. Tapos, I always see how the moms are so stressed na parang,
And the dads are?
yeah, no, well,
Char. Uy, hindi yung kasabay namin sa trip, dito rin sa flight na to, yung daddy ang mas tutok sa bata.
okay.
More than the mom.
And then lalo na pag they're trying to calm them down pero hindi talaga gumagana. And then, gets ko na rin na may konting hiya factor.
Oo.
Kasi everybody is may ano yan eh, I think after for me maybe 5 minutes dun na medyo lahat tumitingin na. 1 or 2 forgivable, okay, may umiyak, given. Pero I think umiyak, sumisigaw for like 4 minutes onwards, medyo lahat, buong plane nakatingin na sa inyo.
Oo.
Correct me if I'm wrong.
Totoo. At may hiya factor.
Oo.
But thank you so much for thinking about the parents. Kasi minsan pag umiiyak yung mga anak ko, hindi ko naiisip nyo pala yung mga magulang.
Ako I do. Kasi
During this time na nasa-stress habang pinapatahan yung bata. Kasi sometimes ang iniisip ko lang pag tumitingin, naiirita. Especially yung mga walang anak.
I
Yung may anak
understand.
mas maiintindihan eh.
especially if you're on a long flight, all the more na parang let's say a 12-hour flight, gusto mo talaga magpahinga and then sobrang may isang baby na cranky, tas katabi mo pa or like right
Nasa
in front
harap or
of you, likod
yeah.
mo. I understand how it can be annoying, pero I guess I am the type of person na una ko iniisip, number 1 nga, bakit umiyak? Tapos number 2,
Naawa ka dun sa parent.
oo. Kasi parang I can imagine it's already such a stressful situation. Traveling with an infant. You
Yeah.
just mentioned earlier,
Yeah.
the whole shebang, diba? May
Oh.
stroller and all that. Tapos ngayon, you have to deal with this.
Yeah.
So,
Lalo pa pag mag-isip.
yung mo, yeah.
I know.
I felt the yeah.
Yes, yeah.
I felt the yeah, okay?
Hindi kasi nakakatuwa makakilala ng,
But-
alam mo,
but that's me.
for someone na mahilig sa bata,
Oh.
wala kang anak, pero naiintindihan mo yung pinagdadaanan ng magulang. Kasi merong mga hindi.
Okay.
At babasahin
Okay.
ko na to.
Let's get to it.
Okay, this is really the flight that we're in, pero I'm not sure kung sa amin ba to, baka napagkamalan lang yung babae yung anak ko, or baka ibang baby, kasi may umiiyak talaga na baby na ayaw tumigil nung flight namin pauwi ng Manila.
But it was a short flight.
It was a short flight. Pero,
okay.
kung na-delay yung flight nyo, tas nasa loob na kayo ng eroplano.
Tas uncomfy,
Yun
sticky.
na. I know.
Kaya.
Sabi niya, to the parents of the kid, anonymous po ito, who cried endlessly on our flight. So binanggit niya yung flight.
Then this is the
details ng
flight you were on.
This is the flight na talagang sinakyan namin. Bound to Manila, November 10, 2025. Sabi niya, I know it's hard to be a parent. More so, to be a parent of a child who'd cry nonstop and you can't do anything about it because your daughter can't tell you why. Pero I hope you know that you're not flying alone. You're flying with other people who are also tired, may be sick, and those na gusto lang naman makatulog even for an hour because they have work back in Manila. But I saw you too. I was glancing all the time because your daughter screams and cries as if there's something bothering her or hurting her. She cried and screamed the whole duration of our
Yeah,
flight.
that's
But
sinasabi ko.
you did nothing. Nothing to soothe her. You let her scream her lungs out and cried nonstop while you were sitting there
my
as if
God.
nothing's happening.
Ang
Learn-
harsh dito. Sorry, di pa tapos, pero na-harshan na ako. Oh,
Learn
go.
to respect other people too. Please lang, kaway-kaway sa mga kasabay namin kagabi sa flight. So, namin kagabi sa flight. Sure na akong hindi ito kasi si Santi ko umiyak. Pero, saglit lang eh. Sabihin na natin matagal na yung 15 to 20 minutes. Napatulog. Bago pa mag-take off,
Kasi may ganun eh, di
napatulog.
ba? Sa pagod ng iyak.
Actually, bago pa kami pumasok,
I remember,
sabi ko na
nabrenay
sa
ka na ako, ganun
Yaya,
nangyari sa akin yun eh.
na umiyak?
Na sobrang napagod ako sa kayak, so natulog na lang ako.
Ano?
You know who
Binibray-
you are. Nung brenay ka
binibray-
na ako dati, ganun ako, I cry myself to
Hindi
sleep.
ba the other way around?
Anyway, going back.
Okay, so,
Going
ang
back.
taktika namin ng asawa ko, bago pa natin isakay sa plane,
What's the
patulugin na. Patulugin
How
na,
do you do
pagurin
that?
natin. So, pinagod,
okay.
nagtatakbo yung bata. So, tama naman. Nakatulog na yung anak namin. Kaya lang pagpasok doon, na-delay eh. Yung 9:35, naging 10:20 yung lipad. Nasa
Okay.
loob na kami ng
Okay, nasa
eroplano
cabin
nito.
na kayo,
Papi.
oh.
Shout out Cebu Pacific. Shout out.
Hindi, tsaka ito yung sabi ko, yung feeling na hindi pa naka-on yung aircon.
Hindi, naka-on na.
Naka-on
Thank
na.
you naman,
Hindi
naka-on na.
okay.
Pero
Kasi
in
minsan may
fairness,
sticky eh.
the piloto of this flight, ang husay mo. Ang ganda ng landing niya.
Okay.
O, swabing-swabe. Pero yun nga, hindi naman natin maikakailan. May mga delay na flights,
Correct.
di ba? Kasama kami doon. So, tulog na si Santi, nagising lang siya dahil may umiiyak na bata. As in, umiiyak. So, nagising siya sa iyak. So, umiyak yung anak ko mga hanggang 15 to 20 minutes. Alam na namin kung paano pakakalmahin. Sinayaw-sayaw. Nakatayo yung yaya. Sinasayaw sa loob ng eroplano na maliit. Yung pinakamaliit na Zebpak na eroplano. Nakatulog ulit.
Okay.
Anong comment mo dito sa sa particular na nag-post na to. Kasi when I was reading
man.
comments, inaaway siya ng mga tao.
Aawayin ko rin siya, sorry.
Okay.
Kasi nga,
Bring it on!
No, because
From
I am...
someone na gusto ko marinig talaga yung, sabi ko, gusto ko marinig yung point of view ni Sam dito. Kasi baka maging bias kasi may anak ako na umiyak sa plane or may anak ako na infant or toddler. So I feel for the parents.
Correct. And I'm
nitong-
like, I just said, like for me,
Yeah.
siguro third, fourth ko na isipin, maybe fifth yung, ay, nasistress yung mga tao dito.
Or nasistress ako.
Oo. Kasi iniisip ko muna, nobody wants that. It's not like as a parent, correct me if I'm wrong, not as a parent, gusto mo, nagkukos ng trouble yung infant mo. I'm sure you would feel uncomfortable. That's why I said kanina na yung iba, nakakaya kasi diba, you do your best to make your kids stop crying, pero wala eh. What can you do?
Yeah. Ayaw talaga tumigil.
Ayaw tumigil.
Sinong bang magulang gusto umiiyak yung anak?
And of course, it's not just causing stress to other people, it's causing you stress.
Yeah.
Diba? You wanna know what's wrong. Eh, hindi naman sila makapag-communicate at that level yet.
Yeah.
Telling,
Hindi sila
okay,
nakakapagsalita.
correct. Ano ba masakit? Is there something that's, you know, that you can do to help? I'm really understanding when it comes to things like these. Not to defend this person. Maybe she was also having a long, bad day.
Correct. Hard
Diba?
time.
Hard time. She was not feeling well. I
Yes,
understand.
yes.
Let's say if you're flying, one of the worst feelings is to get on a plane and when you're not feeling well,
Yeah.
when you're sick.
Oo.
Could be she is, you know, going through something and it ruined her. Alam mo yun? Her
Yun na lang inisip mo.
Not to take that away from her.
Napakabuti talagang tao nitong partner ko. Ganito data mga binoboto natin sa paparating na eleksyon eh.
Pero the
Wow!
the bigger picture for me is nobody wants to be in that position. So I am a bit more understanding when it comes to these things. Because if I always do that. I put myself in their shoes.
Yeah.
If I was the one in their shoes, tapos my kid was you know, throwing a tantrum, iyak ng iyak, I'd also feel stressed. I don't want that to ruin anybody's flight. I don't want to, you know, cause trouble. Pero wala eh. What can I do also? She did mention though, you did read na ang reklamo niya walang ginagawa si mommy.
Yes, pareho daw. Oo, may
Okay,
ganun.
so I guess you would be able to give more insight about
Kung
that.
talagang walang ginagawa. Okay,
Oo,
oo,
hindi,
tama.
kasi hindi,
Maganda
no,
yung,
no.
maganda yung napansin mo na, teka, wala daw ginagawa. Kaya siguro siya, mas doon siya
Correct.
nainis.
As a
Baka
mom,
doon siya naiinis eh.
As a mom, your kids, you know, throwing a tantrum on the plane, ikaw, what do you do? Like, what is the procedure? Like I said, I'm not in the position to talk about this. What would you do? Is it, pag wala kang ginagawa, ibig sabihin, wala
Wala ka
kang
ng
pakialam?
pake? No. Unang-una sa lahat, dapat alamin natin, ilang taon ba yung bata? Tama yung sinabi mo, kapag infant yan, let's say 1 year old below, kahit nga minsan sometimes 2 years old, hindi pa nila kayang sabihin kung ano yung masakit sa kanila at ano yung reason kung ba't sila umiiyak. Pangalawa, pwedeng ginawa lahat, hindi mo lang nakita na may ginagawa yung mga magulang, pero
Well said.
they tried everything, pero ayaw tumigil ng bata. And I have to agree with Sam na sino bang magulang yung gusto ng nasistress yung ibang tao nang dahil sa anak nila? Walang magulang may gusto nun. Sa totoo lang po, ako to personally, I don't know with other parents, kapag umiiyak yung anak namin, mapa sa mall man yan, sa flight man yan, or kahit saan, nahihiya kami kung pwedeng itapan mo na yung bibig para manahimik na. Gagawin namin eh. Pero syempre, hindi naman pwede yun.
I even see some parents, like, I remember me and Essa were taking the
Strolling.
tour.
Oo.
Talagang pinapagalitan nila yung bata.
I was
Sinisigawan
like
nila.
that. Ganun ako.
So,
kung
parang-
edad na ni Lexi.
Oh, yun, exactly. At a
Let's
certain
say
age,
5
right.
years old or 4, makakaintindi.
Correct.
Pero
Oo.
minsan, kahit pagalitan mo yung bata, hindi naman natatakot sa magulang, di ba? Depends yan eh.
There were
Well,
even
ako,
times na pag if you don't stop crying, bibigay kita sa Bombay.
May
Tinuturo ako. Wala naman ang pakialam sa anak mo. I don't want your kid.
Ang dami pa naman niya sa
Stop
Hong
saying that.
Kong. Oh, edi sorry na, nagamit ko yan. Nung nandun kami sa Disneyland.
Ulol.
Tinuro ko lang siya, hindi ka titigil. Well, lahat ng
O bibigay kita sa guard. Bibigay kita sa police.
Oh, yan!
Yung mga ganun, di ba?
Oo.
O iwan kita dito.
Ayan na, dadating na yung monster.
Ay, yan, yung mga ganon.
Di ka pa titigil, ito na yung batang, minsan yung kahit di ko kilala, dumaan lang, ito na yung nangunguha ng batang umiiyak. Lahat ng pagpapatigil sa iyaking bata, ginagawa ng mga magulang. I don't know kung lahat ganon, but most of the parents na nakikita ko na may nagtatantrums na anak, tas ayaw tumigil, madalas pag wala na silang ginagawa, it's because naubos na rin yung energy
That's
nila.
what I am thinking. I just wanted you to confirm it, but that's what I was thinking.
Ubos na yung energy, tao lang din yung magulang, napapagod din sila. Pero the next time, if you're single, kung wala ka pang anak, the next time meron, or kahit may anak ka, kasi kahit naman may anak, papi, hindi ibig sabihin, hindi na naiirita sa mga batang umiiyak.
Of course.
Diba?
So like I said, especially if you've been through a long day, it was, you're not feeling well. I understand. It's not, tapos you just want to rest. Take a breather.
Everyone wants to rest. Everyone wants to sleep during a flight. I think lahat tayo para di natin maramdaman
Everybody wants some flood control blessings.
Hindi, ayoko masyado yun.
Baka
may karma
Mag St. Gerard dyan. Stocks ng St. Gerard.
Hindi masyadong bet, baka may karma yan. But I mean, lahat tayo, kung magulang ka, may toddler ka or infant, lahat tayo gusto natin ng payapang flight. Sinong may ayaw? So, sa akin lang, if meron tayong makasabay ng mga ganito, mapa-flight sa mall or saan, extend lang tayo ng konting patience. Konting patience lang po. Dahil yung stress nung kung nasi-stress ka, times 5 yung stress nung magulang. Pero hindi naman natin sila pwede sisihin. Ang biruan namin, yung isang friend ko kasi kasama namin sa trip na to, kapag may nagtatantrum sa mga anak ko, ang lagi niya na sinasabi, sige, anak pa. Gaganituhan na lang kami ng asawa ko. Dinadaan na lang namin sa biro, papi. Sige, anak pa, Michael. O kaya minsan yung asawa ko, pag nagkakabardahan na kami o iritahan, ayan, ang hilig gumawa ng bata, pero hindi mapatigil sa pag-iyak yung bata. Ganun, ginadaan mo na lang minsan sa biro. But yes, it's hard being a parent. So,
at which, sorry, once again,
it's really hard.
Coming from a guy that's...
Hindi kita tinatakot, papi, pero enjoy mo na.
I understand. Everybody's been telling me that. Trust me. Kami niya, wag muna kayo mag-kids. Enjoy lang kayo. We've heard that over a thousand times. At what age, once again, curious, at what age would it start being enjoyable?
5. 4 or 5 is okay.
So, first 4 years talagang be ready to rough it out.
Actually, kahit yung 5, medyo may stress ng konti. Kung isa lang kaya. Pero,
kasi I remember may pamangkin ako si Alonzo, di ba?
Ilang taon?
He's of course 10 already now. Pero
ayan, masarap na yan dali.
Yun nga, at that age, kahit sa bahay, lahat ng kanto kailangan mo bantayan. Pag naglakad, kailangan may mata ka, nasan pupunta yan.
Or kung ano isusubo.
Correct,
diba?
Correct. All these things. So, I understand it's like a full-time, it's a full-time commitment. That's why bilib ako sa mga nanay kasi you guys work
and
you do
take care of
the
kids at the same time.
Keep the house in one piece, and then you take care of the kids. I don't even know where you get
energy to do that.
Hindi
na rin namin alam. Alam mo, minsan hindi ko na rin alam. Pero again, para sa mga magulang, ako naiintindihan ko na talaga ngayon, nung naging 3 yung anak ko, sobrang gets ko na kung bakit yung iba ayaw nila mag-anak. O bakit yung iba isa lang o 2 lang ang gusto. That's why may kausap ako kanina na friend ko na isa pa lang yung anak. Sabi niya, nagpunta rin daw sila ng Hong Kong, stress na stress daw siya dun sa infant niya. Sabi ko, girl, di kita tinatakot Pero nung 2 yung anak ko, carry naman, nung 3, nakakabaliw talaga. You really have to think about it because nung naging 3 na yung anak ko, iba na talaga yung stress, guys.
So, to wrap this up, would you travel again or when do you think you'd be able to travel again with everyone?
Ito nga yung matindi doon, papi. Naramdaman namin tong stress na to. But at the same time, nakita ko kung gaano kasaya. Kahit si Santi, di niya pa nagigets yung nangyayari. Pero, I don't know, kahit na stressful, pag nakita mo sila, ang saya nila.
Tanggal stress mo.
Natatanggal stress
pagod,
mo. Ngayon,
pagod.
ayaw ko siyang gawin. Pero hindi ko alam, after 3 months, pag napahinga na naman ako, gusto ko na naman silang dalhin sa malayo, na masistress ulit kami. Siguro,
and so is life.
Siguro ganun ang magulang. Mababaliw ka na lang talaga. Mahirap, pero gagawin mo pa rin.
I mean, even for people you love, for things you love. I mean, you'd go, even sometimes it's hard.
Yeah.
It's stressful, but there are things you would still do.
Over and over again.
Over
and over again.
Ang mahal mo eh.
So ngayon ba na nakakarinig ka ng mga ganitong kwento kay Gino, sa akin, sa mga friends mo, may kababa ng konti,
Of course.
papi?
I think we want to be ready for it.
Yeah.
But also, I realized you will never be ready. Walang handbook ang pagiging parent.
True.
I guess how you dealt with Santi was different from how you dealt with Lexi. Iba-iba.
Iba-iba,
Every
kada bata.
kid has its...
I'm sure nasabi sa'yo na nanay mo yan.
his or her own personality, also character, which you have to deal with. So, I don't think you'd ever be ready. You just do it and deal with it as you go along. There's no handbook to being a parent.
Amen.
Diba? But we hope you were able to pick up a thing or two from this episode, and konting pasensya.
Konting pasensya.
Diba? Nobody wants to inconvenience anybody.
Yeah.
Not whether it's a kid, whether it's you're causing, you're holding up a line, you're arguing with someone. Nobody wants to be an inconvenience to anyone.
Oh my God. Bago natin tapusin tong episode na to, isa pang nakakawindang nang nangyari sa amin. Akala ko makukulong yung anak ko sa Hong
Bakit
Kong.
naman? Ano na, wow, sino?
Si Sab.
Ano naman trip niya?
So, ang dala niya kasing bag is yung school bag niya. Nakalimutan niyang alisin yung pepper spray niya sa bag.
Oh,
OMG, it's a major offense in Hong Kong.
really? In Hong Kong?
In Hong Kong. Nabuti na lang minor siya, kundi nagbayad kami ng 700,000 pesos.
Upon entry pa lang.
No, nung
Upon
pauwi
exit,
na kami,
kasi doon
papi.
nakita.
At ano to ha, parang on record. Like may police police record siya doon. So, mag-ingat kayo kasi kung
Double
hindi
check.
nyo naman sinasadya na magdala ng mga bagay na bawal sa Hong Kong, kulong kayo, magfa-fine kayo.
Oh, lesson learned, Medyo check.
Double check everything.
Double check everything.
Pero it was in that moment that I realized na mas kalmado yung anak ko sa akin. Kasi during the time na ini-interrogate siya ng mga pulis, kalmado siya.
Oh,
Habang
alam niya
yung
naman.
nanay niya,
Siyempre.
oh my God, I didn't know that my kid has that. Gumagano.
Yeah.
Ang nasabi na lang sa akin ng police, lady, calm down. It's
Oh,
okay.
ganun,
We're just
very,
asking questions.
Yeah.
Gets mo yun, papi? Gusto nyo pa ba mag-anak? Ngayon ang tanong, mag-comment kayo below.
Sab na yun, di ba?
16 na yun,
16 na yun. Meron din siyang aberya of her own.
Lahat na ng aberya
Lahat
talaga
ng aberya.
nangyari sa trip na to. Pero again, sa mga gustong mag-anak pa dyan na wala pang anak, ang tanong, gusto nyo pa bang mag-anak after ng kwentong to? Char!
That is the question that you will answer sa comments. But thank you for listening to this episode. Once again, my name is Sam White.
And this is Chacha.
Be safe, be good.
Bye-bye!